Would you believe me if I told you that this little thing was a backpack? Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So today's video is going to be another backpack unboxing, or unbagging in this case. I've been doing a lot of backpack stuff, but this is a very special one because look how small this is. This is from the company WANDRD. They also made the backpack, the WANDRD Provoke, which is a really cool one. And this was on their Kickstarter earlier this year. And once I saw the promotional video on it, I was sold already. Because look, this is literally a backpack. The VEER 18 liter by WANDRD. It's a packable backpack with inflatable back panel. Whew, that's hard to say. So one of the cool features is that it includes an inflatable camera cube. So what you do here, if you look, you inflate this little piece it comes with, and you can put anything in there. You can put, it's designed for cameras, but really you can put anything that's really fragile inside there, and it'll protect it. Mostly meant for cameras though. Yeah, so this is more designed to be a day pack, which is kind of something I needed going on our trip to Japan in a couple weeks as of recording this video. Just because that Brevity roll top is just a little bit too big for a day pack. I can't see myself using that. Just walking around the city with such a big bag. Okay, so let's open it. Alright, so I'm guessing, yes, so this is the inflatable camera cube right here. Comes in this nice little pouch. Look at that, look at these nice tags. These nice orange tags. Alright, so this is the camera cube. It's inflatable, so that's really cool. And right here, we have the backpack itself. So this backpack is 18 liters, which is, I think, is a perfect size for a day pack. Oh wow, goodness, look at that. So we unpack it from itself. Okay, look at that. So there it is. This is the WANDRD VEER packable backpack. So I got the black. It also comes in like blue and rust, I believe. So yeah, so that opening where I took the backpack out is where you would go into to store it back if you want to like pack it back down. The straps are this really light material. It's very breathable. Along with the back, we have this, sternum strap. On this side of the bag right here, water bottle sleeve. And this sleeve is like really big. Like, look at that. It fits all the way down. And this can probably hold my hydro flask. A lot of bags this size typically aren't big enough to hold hydro flasks. At least the ones I have. It's so hard because the bag is black, so it's hard to like distinguish things. But see on the front here, there's a zipper like that. And it's just like a little tiny pocket here just for like storing stuff. And this is what was really cool. Oh, it smells really good too. Wow. But anyways, right here, if you look here, this pocket has like a little piece of fabric here that kind of like keeps things from falling out. I think that's cool. Little attention to detail. It has these little loops here just for like hanging on stuff. And this is the side access pocket right here. I don't remember that, but yeah, there's a clip. And if you notice these zippers, they're very water resistant. There's a little space inside here for the camera cube and where it's supposed to go. I'll have B-roll going over this so you can see it better. Another thing about this is that it has an inflatable back panel. So here it is. This is the back panel. So the reason why it's able to get down so small and still have great support is because of this. This is the back panel that is inflatable. So let me try to blow this up. Oh! Whoa. Air came out. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just try this again. Okay. Alright, so the back panel is inflated. Let me do it a little bit more. There we go. Back panel. So what you do now, there's like an opening here. It's really hard to see because I got the black one. Should have got a different color. Alright, so we're gonna put the back panel here inside the back so that you have back support. And that's what makes this bag so small, because you're still able to have some really good back support. Currently inside there in the back, and it's pretty soft. Let me just close up these zippers and we'll see how it feels. Also here, there's just like a top pocket up in here. You can just put like random stuff. Let me install the camera cube real quick. So it's gonna go inside this area right here. But here it is. Okay, here it is. This is a camera cube. It's actually pretty big. My M50 can probably fit in here. Looks like it's the same exact thing as the other one. So this is the camera cube right here. Pretty nice. Pretty decent size too. So I have my brother's M50. He also bought an M50 because of yours truly. We're gonna put it inside here. And it's actually not that bad. It's like there's just enough room inside it there. You can probably fit at least a couple other things inside here as well. What are these loops on the side for? There's like loops here. I'm guessing it's for carrying. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so let's try and install it real quick without the camera inside. So the camera cube is right there. So it's pretty much in here, and you close it up this way. Put the camera in. So it's cool because the camera cube part sits at the bottom of the bag. So it's in a good spot. It's weighted down. But look at that. So this is the WANDRD VEER. It's 18 liters. I think that's a perfect size for this backpack because it's not too big, but big enough to hold a day's worth of stuff. It's basically a day pack. Everything that you would need in a day. You know, you could probably put your wallet, keys, whatever, snacks. So this pocket right here gives you access to the main thing. So it also has access to the actual camera cube. So I think I actually put it in wrong. Depending on how you want it set up, I guess you can put it that way. But then other than that, you can still store stuff and it'll be separated from your camera stuff. So even though you have like food or something that could leak onto your camera, it's still separated by like a mesh lining along with the actual camera cube inflatable box. What do you call it? Inflatable camera cube with protect air technology. I like how a lot of the bag is very water resistant. The zippers are waterproof right here, so no water is getting in there. And let me try it on. Yeah, this is not bad at all. The cool thing also with this one, since it has a side access pocket, you can easily do something like this. Have it on one shoulder, unzip it from here, just like that. You have access to your camera, anything that you store inside here. So that's really cool that they added that like side access thing. One of the coolest bags I've seen this year. And really it's not that big, and it's kind of what I was really looking for, because with the Brevity roll top, for my opinion, it's just kind of big to be just walking through the city with it. I think it's just too big for me. I don't carry a lot of camera gear, and especially if we're going and traveling, I don't like being lugged down by all this gear that part of it I'm not even using. This is a really great bag. I'm definitely using this in our trip in actually a couple of days. As of the recording of this video, we have about 11 days. So yeah, it's really comfortable, and I guess you could say everything that you would need for a day pack. If you want to buy one of these backpacks, I'll have it linked down in the description. Also, stay tuned to my channel for my review of this. So this is kind of just my unboxing, my first impressions of it. But if you really want to see an in-depth review of it, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated, because I'm going to be doing a full-on review, maybe even in Japan, who knows. But I'll be making a full-on review expressing the pros and cons of this backpack after using it, and actually using it on a day-to-day basis when I'm in Japan. So yeah, this is the WANDRD VEER 18-liter backpack. So if you guys are just sold right now, check the link in the description. Stay tuned to the channel, of course, for all our upcoming videos. But other than that, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.